Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
A lot of times on the West Coast, they get the heat in this type of patterns, and on the East Coast, such as in the Great Lakes and the eastern half of the United States, we get the cold temperatures. And whether you like the snow or not, the first snow is kind of special when it transforms green into a landscape of white. Of course, it's no fun to drive in, so it's great to see this view of the Ford Interchange and US 131. Traffic actually moving just fine. That certainly has not been the case all morning long. And kind of the epicenter, some of the heaviest of this light snow event, we're looking at the Allendale area where they're approaching 4 inches of snow out there, and you can see still snowing at the present time. Where's that snow? Well, this is, again, classic lake effect. If you just go on the other side of Lake Milwaukee over to Madison, they're enjoying sunshine, but it's cold enough here, and we have Lake Michigan off to our west that we're getting this snow. And you can see everybody's pretty much receiving, whether it's flurries or light to moderate snow at the present time. But the main band of snow, as you saw it right on that sky cam in Allendale and GVSU, is right through Ottawa County, just gets into extreme southwestern parts of Kent County as well, from Kentwood down to right around the Byron Center area, Wayland, Hopkins, and then shifts eastward right into Hastings. Now, earlier this morning, the National Weather Service added Berry County, also Newaygo, Kent County, Calhoun to the mix in this advisory, which will expire at 4 o'clock. And the reason it will expire at 4 o'clock is because we're expecting the lake effect snow showers to really wind down quite a bit later on this afternoon. Still winter storm warnings up to the north. Mansalona, Michigan, the most I could find in terms of snowfall, 15.8 inches. A half a foot of snow has fallen in the Petoskey area, just a little over 5 inches in Gaylord. Temperature right now, 26 degrees in Grand Rapids, and you can see that wind generally out of the west, and finally coming down just a little bit. Still on the breezy side out there, but nowhere near as strong as it's been the past couple days. And that wind chill, it's still quite chilly. Obviously, winter weather gear. Futurecast shows the snow showers winding down, and we'll likely see maybe a couple breaks in the clouds here and there overnight. The wind also coming down quite a bit. It's not going to last long. I think tomorrow, not much going on until later in the day. A few flurries, light snow showers. Here's 8 o'clock in the morning. And then a clipper system will join the fray, it looks like, later tomorrow, especially tomorrow evening. Now, this is a 6 o'clock time frame, just a few flurries, but watch what happens after that. And I know this is the time of year a lot of people head out for Christmas parties and so forth, so it's likely to be quite busy. Here's out ahead of a clipper system. A lot of times you get a southwest flow, and that is going to produce, I think, a fairly substantial band of snow from Grand Rapids and areas to the south and west, and it certainly will lead to more accumulating snow. Now, as that clipper system moves through, the wind direction will shift to the north-northwest, and that's going to produce more of a north-northwest oriented band of snow on Saturday. So most of the snow area wide will be Friday night. How much snow? I think a safe bet, area wide, anywhere from about 2 to as much as 6 inches worth of snow. Could even see an isolated amount higher than that. And now that the snow is on the ground and the cold is going to stick around, I think the scene is going to remain quite white around here, and it's just a matter of tracking the clipper systems later in the 8-day forecast. I think we might run out of snow icons.
Yeah, the winds and how much. That's the important information, because it looks like it's snow.
Yeah, winter's here.
Okay, thanks, Matt.